KZ Guy 2 here. Today working on a 2013 Chrysler 200. Problem today is customer complains of a clicking noise. So to narrow that down, you have on this HVAC system, you have three of these actuators that have a motor and a series of plastic gears in them, and they're very prone to failure. So to narrow that down, you have one for hot cold, one for your blend, and then one for inside or outside air, so recirculation actuator. So if we push this down, we can hear, boom, it's clicking. So this is the part that you're going to need for that, and this is a Dorman part I got. So, you know, OEM would be nice, but this customer's on a budget, so you're going to go ahead and have to remove your glove box here, and I'll show you how to do that. Actually, it's super easy. You just pull over on this one side, and boom, bottom releases. You also have a rope you're going to have to take off on that side too. So, all right, so in here we can see it's mounted on the right side of the box here. To gain access to the two screws that hold it on there, they're two Phillips screws. They look like this. I also pulled this tab off here, got this out of the way so you can kind of come in from underneath. Remove your electrical connection, get those two screws off. To help locate those screws, if you take the old one and position that'll kind of give you an idea where they are. Kind of a pain to get to a little bit, not too bad though. And then this is your blend door actuator over there. To the best of my knowledge, these actually take the same exact part number too. So once you get those two screws and electrical connection off, note the position that this is before you take it out. I mean, it's keyed anyway, so, but just, so you can have ease of putting it back in, and boom, there you go. So as you can see, it can only go in one particular way. This is the old one. So now we're gonna pop the new one back in, screw it down, plug it in, and I'm sure I don't need to show you guys how to do that, but I will take this old one apart. Now after taking the cover off this, we can see the problem is this tower right here snapped off. So I guess you could technically take a screw or something, go through there, fix that, modify it, but in this case we're just going to replace the whole unit because they're cheap enough. But yeah, cheap plastic stuff, it's going to break over time. And yeah, here's the car. Hope this video helped you guys out. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Give me a thumbs up if it helped.